This video is on finding your point on the efficient frontier. Let's connect back to the case study. Suppose you know which portfolios are on the efficient frontier. A natural question to ask is which efficient portfolio would an employee of Daimler like to hold? So let's start with Pauline. Pauline had a modest risk aversion, which results in an upward sloping convex indifference curve. Pauline maximizes her mean variance expected utility if her indifference curve is as up northwest as possible. The largest possible expected return risk combination that Pauline could reach is if her indifference curve touches the efficient frontier. And what about Amir? Amir was risk neutral with a flat indifference curve. So Amir prefers the portfolio with the highest expected return. Such a portfolio will be on the furthest right of the efficient frontier.
Got feedback? We would love to hear it. Please drop us a line. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.